Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Lenovo ThinkPlus XT92. In front of me I have cleaning tool, and for these earbuds I'm going to use only this brush. If you haven't cleaning tool you can also use a toothbrush, and I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now, on the front side, we have charging contacts at the earbuds, right here, this golden dot. And also at the charging case, we have charging contacts. So, I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol firstly at the charging contacts on my left earbud. Here we go. Now let's clean it. Here we go. Now the right one. Then I will apply it to the charging contacts at the charging case. And also I'm going to clean it with this brush. And the right side. Now let's clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tip. Right here we have the grill and slightly clean it. Now let's apply ear tip. And let's move to the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!